Lesson 1, Introduction to Busy. In this chapter, we'll discuss about Busy accounting software. Busy is a complete business management software. It is one of the leading accounting softwares in India and outside India. Its demand is ever increasing. By using Busy, you can manage all your accounting and inventory related details of your business easily. Not just this, Busy is also a complete ERP solution. That is, using Busy accounting software, you can maintain payroll related details, inquiries, support management calls. All such details you can also maintain using Busy. Worldwide, Busy has more than 3 lakh licensed users and the number is growing. So first of all, we'll discuss here is the genesis of business accounting. In a business, there is a need to keep record of multiple things like expense, amount receivable, payable, stock maintenance, tax submission. So recording of all these entries, or we can say managing all such issues jointly, is termed as business accounting. Major purpose of accounting is to provide data needed for decision making and efficient operations of business. You can say, for example, the owners who provide capital for the business are interested in returns on the capital and the financial stability of the business. Similarly, government relies on accounting for assessing the taxable capacity of the business. Hence, looking at these points, we can say that accounting is an inevitable part of business. That is, you cannot do business without maintaining accounts of your business. So when accounting, or we can say business accounting, is an inevitable part, then we'll discuss how you can maintain accounts using computerized accounting. Computerized accounting has lots of benefits with it. With the availability of user-friendly accounting softwares at a relatively low cost, it is a wise decision to maintain accounts through business accounting software instead of manual maintenance. Some of the advantages of computerized accountings are that you can get the availability of records with just a click of button. Data will be always accurate and reliable. Automatic generation of accounting documents like invoice, statement of account, generation of VAT and other statutory reports. MIS reporting, which helps in increasing revenue and decreasing operational cost. That is, MIS reports always help in taking managerial decisions. So these are few advantages of the computerized accounting. Now we'll come back to introduction to Busy. Busy, as we have mentioned earlier, is a complete enterprise solution covering needs of almost all type of trades like electronic, FMCG and many such others. Busy was launched in 1994 and Busy has always given its customer the utmost priority and excelled in providing simple and user-friendly solution to its customers. Staying very true to its tagline, not just accounts, manage your business, Busy is not mere confined to handling of accounts, but it is a complete ERP solution providing ease of maintaining inventory, payroll, taxation, support and inquiry management features. All these you can maintain easily with Busy. Apart from this, Busy provides strong checks and controls, user rights and all other such features that are required in an enterprise software. Some of the powerful features of Busy are accounting and inventory. Accounting and inventory is definitely very powerful feature of Busy. Then is your billing. Billing in Busy is very quick, accurate, foolproof you can say, and totally configurable. That is, billing formats are totally configurable. Then are your checks and control. Busy provides strong checks and control. And then is the taxation. Taxation part is very strong in Busy. You can easily maintain tax related details and generate statutory reports. So we'll discuss all these points one by one, starting with the accounting. Busy is primarily a business accounting software. As we said, accounting is an inevitable part of any business. Hence, for any type of trade, maintaining account is a must. With the coming of computerized accounting software such as Busy, maintaining accounts has become a very simple and easy process. Some of the accounting reports generated through Busy are balance sheet, trial balance, account ledger, amount receivable, payable, bank reconciliation, interest calculation, depreciation. These are just few reports. Busy provides a lot of accounting reports. Basically, you just need to enter your data and you can get the desired reports in the format as required by you. Almost every type of reports you will get in Busy. Next is inventory management. Busy has a very strong inventory management module and especially the advanced inventory management module. In the field of inventory management, Busy is way ahead of other famous accounting softwares in India, which in turns make it a very good choice for the trade that require comprehensive stock maintenance. Some of the advanced inventory features that are available in Busy are serial number wise stock. You can maintain serial number wise stock of the items which are required in mobile, inverter batteries. Then is batch wise stock. Using batch wise stock features, you can maintain manufacturing and expiry date of the items batches. Parameterized stock, required majorly in the cloth trade type or shoe merchant trade type. Then is your MRP wise stock. You can maintain items with different MRPs. This is basically used in FMCG trade type. For then complete operation workflow you can maintain, starting with indent, order, quotation, issuing goods on challan. So this complete cycle can be maintained in Busy. And then is multiple item pricing modes. There are different item pricing modes provided in Busy. You can choose as per your requirement. That is, you can predefine your pricing and discount structures using this. One is billing. Billing is one of the most important parts of business, and every businessman expects the billing work to be simple and quick, accurate, configurable, foolproof. Billing in Busy has all these advantages with it. That is simple and quick. Busy provides POS data entry screens using which you can predefine your fixed values or less changeable values, so that at the time of billing, minimum data needs to be entered. Foolproof. Using Busy, you can predefine your discounts, markup structures, you can predefine your various schemes prevalent in your business, then you can disallow till below the specified sale price. So using all these features, billing will always be foolproof. Accurate. Billing should always be accurate. That is, the prices as set for different parties like distributor, retailers and users should appear as it is in the bill. With multiple pricing mode feature, you can define different pricing structure for different parties, and accordingly the prices will be displayed during the data entry. Different billing formats. In Busy, billing formats are totally configurable and they are easy to design. That is, you can design your own bills as per your requirement. That is, whatever data you want to print in the invoice, you can configure it and can create different formats for the invoice printing. Next is taxation. It is mandatory to adhere to the taxation policies of the country in which you trade. There are different types of taxes in different countries like VAT, GST. Busy has a strong taxation module and it provides all the statutory reports as needed by the government without any hassle. That is, the country you have selected at the time of company creation in Busy. Busy will provide all the statutory reports of the country that you have selected at the time of company creation. Next, VAT. Busy provide VAT reports as required by different countries. This implies that VAT reports will be generated as per the country you have selected at the time of company creation and will display all the statutory reports. Then checks and control. If your business is small, then it is somehow easy to keep a check on your employees and their activities. But as the business grows, it becomes very difficult to keep a check on all the employees. To ease this problem, Busy provides a lot of checks and control using which you can be freed from worrying about your company's data from any misuse, and you can virtually keep an eye on your employees. So checks and controls covers basically user management. That is, you can create different users and authorize user to certain transactions, report, and at the same time you can restrict certain users from entering transactions or viewing reports. You can also view complete user activity log, which will display which user has created certain masters or modified any data. Then is your warning alarms. Warning alarms refers to raising of an alarm or warning for various entries such as negative cash, negative stocks, sales below minimum sale price, and so on. So a warning will appear on the screen. Approval required to enter certain types of transactions. That is, you can give approval rights to certain users. That is, only those users are authorized to approve transactions. Alert. You can get an email or SMS for the entries you have configured. For example, you have configured an alert whenever a payment of more than certain amount is done, then email or SMS should be sent to you. So these are certain alerts. You can configure various alerts in Busy. Next, we will discuss Busy models. Busy comes in 3 models: basic, standard, and enterprise. Basic model offers all the features required by a small business along with VAT GST reports. Standard edition comprises of all the features covered in basic edition plus advanced inventory features and other operational features such as email, SMS, quotation, challan. Enterprise edition is the highest model of Busy, which has all the features as required from an ERP solution such as payroll, customer support, inquiry management, web-based reporting, and so on. So Busy comes in these 3 models: basic, standard, and enterprise. Next, Busy versions. From time to time, Busy release new version to cater to the needs of the customers and to comply with the statutory norms. Busy is always among the first few to provide up-to-date VAT GST reports to its customers. Any change in VAT GST reporting of any country is taken care in Busy, and a new version is immediately released for it. Version can either be a major release or minor release or sometimes statutory release depending upon the criticality of the feature. So, in this chapter, we have discussed about the genesis of business accounting, benefits of computerized accounting, and what all features Busy offers, that is accounting features, inventory features, billing related features, taxation part. All this we have covered in this chapter. Hope after going through this chapter, you would have a clear cut idea of what all features Busy offers and what are the benefits of computerized accounting. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.